Today we will talk about adjectives. Adjectives are describing words which describe noun and pronoun such as good, bad, beautiful, ugly, honest, dishonest, brave, coward, etc. There are two types of adjectives in Hindi Urdu. The first one is marked adjectives and the other one is unmarked adjectives. In marked adjectives, the marker is a ending, and unmarked adjectives marker is consonant and vowel ending other than a. Marked adjectives are अच्छा, बुरा, बड़ा, छोटा. Unmarked adjectives are सुंदर, बहादुर, खराब, लाल, सफेद. Marked adjectives agrees in number and gender with the nouns, and the feminine agreement there will be no distinction between singular and plural. Here are some examples. अच्छा लड़का singular, अच्छे लड़के plural. Feminine noun अच्छी लड़की singular, अच्छी लड़कियां plural. Unmarked adjectives have only one form. खूबसूरत लड़का, खूबसूरत लड़के, खूबसूरत लड़की, खूबसूरत लड़कियां. Word agreement will be same in Hindi Urdu as in English. There are two types of usage: modifying noun and predicate adjectives. Modifying noun example is छोटी बहन यहाँ है. Younger sister is here. क्या वो ताजा खाना है? Is that food is fresh? Predicate adjective ये बहन छोटी है. This is younger sister. वो खाना ताजा है. That is fresh food. Inanimate things of different gender. Adjective agrees with the closest noun. For example, वो ताजी मिठाइयाँ और फल लीजिए. Please take those fresh sweets and fruits. ये साड़ियाँ और जूते महंगे हैं. These saris and shoes are costly. In first example, mithai is feminine, so adjective is reflecting to mithai, tazi mithai. In second example, you can note joote is masculine noun, so adjective become महंगे. Using different gender, adjective takes the masculine plural form. सब मिठाइयाँ और फल ताजे हैं. All sweets are and fruits are fresh. लड़का और लड़की दोनों अच्छे हैं. Boy and girl both are good. Few pairs making adjective from noun. Few pairs are Hindustan, Hindustani, Banaras, Banarsi, Banaras, Banarsi is from Banaras, Amrika, Amriki, ईमानदारी, ईमानदार, अच्छाई, अच्छा, खुशी, खुश, गर्मी, गरम, ताजगी, ताजा, अमीरी, अमीर, दुख, दुखी. Kinds of adjectives. Number 1 is quality. Number 2, quantity. Number 3, number. Number 4, demonstrative. Number 5, interrogative. Number 6, adjective plus wala, wali, wale. And number 7, repeated adjective. Adjective of qualities. राज एक बहादुर लड़का है. राज इज अ ब्रेव बॉय. रानी एक ईमानदार लड़की है. रानी इज अ ऑनेस्ट गर्ल. ये एक खूबसूरत फूल है. दिस इज अ ब्यूटीफुल फ्लावर. Here, Bahadur, Imandar, Khubsurat tell us of what kind of person or a thing is. Adjectives of quantity. उसे कुछ पैसा चाहिए. He wants some money. मेरे पास काफी केक है. I have enough cake. दिल्ली बड़ा शहर है. Delhi is a big city. Here in these examples, कुछ काफी बड़ा tell us how much of a thing is intended. Adjectives of numbers. सब औरतें वहां नहीं थीं. All women were not there. पहला लड़का इनाम जीत गया. The first boy won the prize. उसके पास 5 रुपए थे. He had 5 rupees. In these examples, सब पहला 5 show us how many person or things there are. Demonstrative adjectives. ये मेरी बिल्ली है. This cat is mine. वो तुम्हारा कुत्ता है. That dog is yours. मुझे ये आम पसंद हैं. I like these mangoes. Here मेरी तुम्हारी ये that point out which person or things are meant. Interrogative adjectives. तुम्हारी आंखों का रंग क्या है? What color of your eyes? तुम्हारा घर कौन सा है? Which house is yours? ये किसकी किताब है? Whose book is this? In this, क्या, कौन, किसकी are used with noun to ask questions. Then adjective plus वाला, वाली, वाले. लाल वाली साड़ी, the red sari. सामने वाले फाटक, the gate in front. बगल वाला मकान, the house in the neighborhood. Then repeated adjectives. ठंडा ठंडा पानी, the ice cold water. सब अपने अपने घर गए. Everyone went to his own house. माँ ने बच्चों को 2-2 रोटियां दी. The mother gave 2 pieces of bread to each child.